So this question from a little girl from Turkey. She says, if God Almighty existed, why does He keep Himself invisible?
If God were invisible, where shall we go? Everywhere we look, He will be watching us. Whatever we do, even when we go to toilet, we see God standing watching us. It's impossible. Moreover, that little girl should consider the nature of visibility. Only that thing is visible to us against which the light strikes and returns to our eyes. Even a clear sheet of glass which permits the light to pass through is not visible. The air is not visible. While we breathe it, we feel it. It's not visible because the light passes through the air without returning from it to us. So how could God be visible? Is He, in the concept of this little girl, thicker than glass and thicker than air? So it's impossible for God to be visible anyway. Right?
کون